Good morning, you guys. Happy October. Today is October 1st. And you know what it is. This is Vlogtober. So, you guys, I'm so excited to come to you guys with my very first Vlogtober. There will be a lot going on in this Vlogtober. Hopefully I can get very interesting in these Vlogtobers. It's everything that I got going on. So today we are excuse me. Today we are on our way to Branson, Missouri. I'm going to go see my Lord, which I'm going to go see the play Jesus. I am so excited because we go and see a lot of plays for the holiday. I've seen so many of them. So yeah. So my name is Carlene and welcome to Vlogtober. My name is Carlene. This is where I do lifestyle, fashion, beauty, everything that has to do with those things, home decor, DIYs, and gardening if I can, because lately my gardening has been negative this year. I don't know why. I can grow stuff inside my house, but I can't grow anything outside of my house. Excuse me, outside of my house. And I think it's because I have direct sunlight and I'm picking the wrong plants that can have direct sunlight. However, we will be nipping the gardening bug. We'll be nipping that bug real soon. So yes, if you are interested in content like that, I try to be as real as possible. I don't make up anything on here. You guys will see me go on tangents, and I say this all the time. You'll see me have anxiety breakdowns, and I will have a fit on my husband. Sometimes you'll see my husband on the video. Sometimes you'll see my husband and my grandmother on the video. It is strictly my channel, but I have been incorporating both of them into the video because they are a big part of my life. And if I did not add them to my vlog and the situations of things that we're going through, then it wouldn't be real. So please, to my new viewers, please, please, please subscribe to the channel. I am working on a 1K goal. I'm at 112 subscribers right now. So you guys, please help me out to get the actual subscribers and the likes, and thumb this video up and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. And yes, let's get back into the video. Okay, you guys, I am back. Here is the waistband while it is on. So this is the waistband while it's on. Shit gonna be snatched. Okay, you guys, you have to be careful how you put these things on, because I think the first time I put it on, I wore it for the 8 hours. But however, it was starting to hurt. But I don't think I had it on correctly. This time when I put it on, let me tell y'all, this time when I put this one on, I don't have a bra on. So that matters too. If I had a bra on, my boobs would be a lot lifted up just a little bit more higher, because it would push the bra up a little bit. But however, I know that was a TMI moment. However, you do see the zipper here, and this is actually my jeans. This print right here is actually my jean print. So on the side, it is sleek. Really right here, it's sleek. You can see a little bit of bulging right here. You can see a little bulging right here. And you could see, you don't see anything here. I'm making that up. You don't see anything here. Everything is pretty much flushed on this side. You can see a little bit of my bands, just a little bit. But however, it doesn't look bad if you're just not focused on it. Like, she gonna be snatched. And you could actually see the hourglass, like, boom, those are my hips. You can actually see the hourglass if I stand back and stop moving. Okay. So this is actually what you see. So, yes. And then I'm going to wear my Crocs. You guys know I wear my cotton candy Crocs. I always wear them. I tend to wear Crocs now more days because of my feet and my Crocs. Honestly, my Crocs are my most comfortable shoe to even wear. And I don't know what I'm going to do. The Crocs are doing it for me. And because I haven't really had any pressure on my toes, like suffocating my toes. Let me tell y'all. Do I want to go ahead and pull these off? I think I'm going ahead. Let's see. Nope, not yet. Oh, God. There we go. I'll wait till my daughter comes.
He does.
It is like 5:15.
This is butter biscuit.
Oh, a butter biscuit with jelly. Anybody in the mood? What's this? Butter biscuit with jelly from Chick-fil-A.
Where's David? Give it to David.
Oh, no,
Butter
biscuit.
biscuit.
Oh, no, chicken.
I am my skin.
Boy, one.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back from Branson, Missouri. I just got home, just took a bath and brushed my teeth for the night. So I'm gonna turn in, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. And happy Vlogtober, and bye.